Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Phantom Wallet on iPhone. If you're using Phantom Wallet on your iPhone, you can manage your crypto, send and receive funds and connect to apps all from one place. And this guide will walk you through everything clearly even if you're a complete beginner. So make sure you already have downloaded your Phantom Wallet and you can simply launch it by opening it. And you can also open it with your Face ID or your password as well. And make sure you already have or imported a wallet. So over here you can also add your funds. You can simply tap add funds in the top there and you can either receive a crypto. In order to receive that, tap on the receive Solana there and you can copy your wallet address or scan the QR over here. And you can send your crypto like SOL to this address and start with a small amount if you're new. And if you want to view and manage assets in the home screen, you can show the balance. You can tap any of the tokens to see the details here. Select one of your first trade and hide or unknown spam tokens if needed as well. And over here you can also swap your tokens there. You can choose the token you have, choose the token you want and enter the amount and receive the fees, and you can also confirm it. And that is it. This is how you can use a Phantom Wallet on iPhone step by step. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.